How's it going, folks? 2 videos in 1 week. Don't get excited yet though. This one may not be as riveting as you think. Bianca and I have a question to ask you folks. I started out on YouTube many moons ago doing backyard farming content, which was pretty much all stuff on our chickens and our soil patch and that sort of thing. Then got interested in aquaponics and it pretty much all took off from there. And the majority of the videos over the last 4 or 5 years have been aquaponic based. So a lot of people see the other channel as an aquaponics channel. That's why I started this one here being a farming channel. It's gotten to the point where I've got content to make that doesn't really fit in that channel there. But it does for those folks who joined us originally looking at the soil growing, the wicking beds, the chicken feeders and that sort of thing. So it sort of has a foot in both channels. So we're actually considering maybe winding this channel down and moving all the content over to the other channel, meaning you'll get a load of farming content over there because that's pretty much all what we're doing a lot of at the moment. And every now and then there will be an aquaponic video pop on to that channel as well. Pretty much all I'd say it'd be 2/3 backyard farming, 1/3 aquaponics. So we'd like to know what you think about that. If you think it's a good idea, just let us know down in the comments by saying yes. And if you don't think it's a good idea, just say no down there. And yeah, we'll tally it up and have a little bit of a look. We know that a lot of you folks have followed us over from that channel. So very sorry if we end up just having one channel and, you know, we've led you on a bit of a wild goose chase. But it's just one of those things. I don't have enough time to make content for both channels every week. I've got other stuff going on as well at the moment because we need to pay the bills. I hate talking money, but it's just the facts of life. So yeah, that's what's going on. Asking you the question, what do you think down below? And I'll give you a bit of a quick little sneak peek update on where we're up to at the moment because we have been doing a little bit of work this weekend with a more in-depth update coming later on down the track. This little area here is actually in an aquaponics video over on the other channels. See my dilemma? So if you want to see what that's all about, hop over onto the other channel. Just basically this is where we're going to start growing our greens, which is basically, you know, foot in each video, as I was saying, hydroponically, and also because it's on our farm. A lot of that timber has just been chopped up into logs over there with the chainsaw. Thank you very much, H. And it's sitting over there and we're just going to burn them off a little bit at a time. Oh yeah, last night, bit of an update on what happened last night. We had a visitor to the yard. I took Jack out for a bit of a piddle towards bedtime and I saw a set of eyes just down in that paddock there, grabbed the U-Butte flashlight that illuminates half a paddock, came out here and we saw a little fox going a baby wallaby down in the laneway there. Got no video, of course. Grabbed the trusty 223 and dispatched the fox in a shot. And it is now sitting down the back in a little bone cage because Bianca would like to collect a little fox skull. So that's down the back there. There was probably a short you may have already seen on that one, or maybe one coming to the channel. But yeah, don't want to get too graphic because YouTube doesn't like it. So that's, yeah, what I got up to today. Chopped the wood during the week. I just need to use these bits and pieces to shore up the sides. We did show you on the video, I still haven't responded to the comments on. Sorry folks, I have been reading them as they come through on my email notifications though. So thank you very much for commenting, we really do appreciate it. We did break down the little chook pen over here. How's it going, Bianca?
Good.
Good.
But I'm hot and sweaty now.
Yes.
And covered in chicken poo.
That's because
we stripped it.
She's down pretty much all the bare bones. It was a bit of fun getting it all back, but we figured, hey, something to do in the afternoon. The only thing we might take off yet is this back panel. We don't know yet. We're just trying to make it light enough for us to move around, but it was fairly light, wasn't it?
Yeah, I might take the back panel off when we rust treat it anyway, make it easier.
B's just got some rust remover and stabiliser, and then we're just going to hit it with, I don't know,
paint.
Maybe some Colgal first, and most of it doesn't look that bad. A lot of it's just surface rust, but there's quite a few years of poop on the bottom.
Yes.
So that's all come off now. So that's what we got up to this afternoon. The reason why we've done that and not much more down there, which I'll show you in a tick anyway, is because what are we getting in a couple of weeks, Bianca?
We're getting 2 more chickens.
Yes. So Bianca's mum's decided she doesn't want chickens anymore.
Nope.
She wants to be free and easy.
So we'll take them.
So we'll take them. So Bianca's got to go down south for work, so she'll bring them back up.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Jackie?
Sniffing around.
He was just coughing before. I think a bit of
Ant may have gotten up his nose.
ant. I was thinking some fossilised chicken poo may have got in sideways or something.
Oh, could be that too.
By the way, the guinea fowl nest over there is empty. No fowl. Yeah, thanks, Jack. No fowl and also no eggs. And there's no sign of eggshell, so we think that's a goanna because a pig would probably have a chomp on them. That little ute canopy there, someone suggested that it may have a metal frame. It doesn't, it's just all fiberglass. So that will be going to the dump along with all the treated timber we pulled out of that and rusty bits of tin we can't use. And off go the guinea fowl in search of, I don't know, something in the grass. So yeah, that's pretty much where we're up to on the chicken yard side of things. That wire that I pulled down will be used to surround this area here just to make it wallaby proof. And I'm thinking about using the tin that was on the shelter over the top of this area to begin with, just as a row of tin down the bottom, and then yeah, have the netting up a little bit higher. We'll just wait and see. So there you go, folks, just a bit of a quick update and a bit of a question for the community here. I really hate mucking people around and, you know, maybe swapping back to just one channel again, but it's just one of those things. I don't feel I'm giving enough to either channel, so I figure I might as well make myself happy and feel better that I'm producing content weekly and have it on one channel and upset maybe a few people, then yeah, just feeling flustered and not know where to put content, so to speak, such as yeah, this little grow area we're making at the moment. So if you could let us know down below, that would be fantastic. If you would like to jump over and subscribe on the aquaponic channel as well, we'd really appreciate it, because there will be just general growing stuff over there no matter what happens. So yeah, I do hope you're all well and happy and you're having a fantastic weekend, and we will catch you sometime during the week.